Learning how to create a professional t-shirt design can be a daunting task. But it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and guidance, you can create a stunning t-shirt design in no time. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Canva account and select the T-shirt menu. Step 2. Choose a color design and layout for your design. You can also upload your own images or select from Canva's extensive library of free and paid graphics. Step 3. Use Canva's editing tools to add text and customize your design. You can change the font, size, and color of your design as well as adjust the placement and rotation of your graphics. Step 4. Change the background to white to make it transparent. Step 5. Preview your design and make any necessary adjustments. Step 6. Once you are satisfied with your design, download it in PNG format, make it to maximum scale, and check transparent background option. Now you have all the tools and knowledge you need to create your own professional t-shirt design in a short amount of time. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your own t-shirt business today. In the next video, I will show you how to sell your designs online and make money from them.